Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam and I'm from Pamela's Creations. And a company sent me a hot glue gun to review on my channel. And I'm super excited to share this with you. If you haven't already, if you're a new subscriber, I hope you like what you see. I do crafts of crochet, diamond painting, making jewelry, paper crafts, and doing some resin work, and finally altering items. I really enjoy altering some items. So let's get started. It's on Amazon. I will link their store from Amazon down below in the description box if you want to check it out. So let me put you on pause. Let me open this box and we'll see what we got. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It's Monvict full-size hot glue gun from the Monvict store. And like I said, I will link it down below. And so let's see what's in the box. And from what I saw pretty good reviews on this. So, and this is a pretty good sized darn hand. Oh wow, look at this. It's a big one. Look at that. That is big. So let's move this aside. And let's open it up. It comes in this nice plastic bag. Look at the size of that thing. That is nice. It has an attachment plug. Oops. Oh, I don't need to break it the first chance I get. You get the plug in. You get those fingertip things, which I'm always burning my hands, so yeah. And so it has a little card on how to contact them if need be. And it says insert power cord into wall socket, insert glue stick into gun power switch, and it's red. Preheat the hot gun for 2 to 5 minutes before use. After preheating, completely start your project. You can either detach it from the power cord after preheating completely, using it like a cordless. Start your project. The longer you plug it in, the longer cordless can be used. To save glue sticks, no dripping, please shut off the power a few minutes before stopping use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in, let it wait for 2 to 5 minutes, and I will be back to make a little project with you guys. Okay, just 1 second. Hey everyone, so I plugged it in and let it sit for a few minutes. It's pretty warm. I put these protectors on my fingers because I am notorious for burning myself. So I put a couple of the glue sticks in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it. It's been sitting here for a bit, so we're just going to unplug it. And we can work with it. So let me put you up a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to attempt to alter this bag for you guys on camera. See how this works. You guys see that? Okay. So I have some trim here. It's pretty trim. I have nothing to put in the middle of it, so I'm going to be very careful and see how well I can do this, because I don't have anything to put in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this hot glue gun. So I'm thinking about putting this here on the bottom. And I'll just cut off the ends. So maybe you like right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick a little hot glue. Just be very light. And it's not made for children here, that's for sure. And I'm just going to stick this down. And I'm going to go inside. and unstick that. Oops. Yeah, hot glue, man. So make sure it doesn't stick on anything. I gotta get something to put in here so I get protected a little more. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the ends. I'm gonna kind of move this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna see here. Okay. Just kind of stick my finger in there and make sure. Cut this piece off real quick. So we're gonna stick with that. And I have some bows that were gifted to me. And let's see here. I like the purple. And let's see here. Maybe something like that, maybe. Yeah, no one needs those. So I'm thinking I'll put some hot glue right here. And this is not plugged in. It's pretty hot. So, glue strings, you gotta love it. Okay. So there's that. Hope you guys can see. Okay. And then I'm gonna just put one here. Maybe like one right here. Hold that down. And let's see here. Maybe just like right there. And then I'm just going to go inside and make sure it's not sticking. Okay. And then I'm going to use this here. And I'm going to put it like, I guess I could have put this on the bottom, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do, oops, is I'm going to glue a thin line across. And this still is really hot. Okay. And I'm just going to put it in the middle like that. And I'm just going to press down. And I'm going to go inside this bag. I'm just going to tear it apart and get the glue strings out of the way. So far, oops. This doesn't stick. Like this. Oh yes, I like these finger things so much better. I'm so clumsy when it comes to things like this. And let it dry for a second. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these ends off really quick, like so. Okay. And then let's see here. I got some of this trim from Bead Craft Chick. It was in my stash for a while. So let's see what we can do with this. I don't have a lot of it, but I have some of this beautiful trim. I was thinking maybe putting it like right here or like right there. Or just kind of across from here. Just let it dangle down. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So I'm just going to put a little here. Just put a little drop. And just hold it down. And then kind of dangle the trim up here. Kind of go with the flow here. I don't know why I have so many issues with the string. Kind of put it up here and then down, or just kind of like down or up, just kind of lay it across. Still really hot. So and maybe move it down. It's going to push this glue in a little bit more. And okay. I got strings everywhere. But other than that, boy, it heats up good. Just kind of like letting it dangle wherever. All right, everyone, I'm back. I just try and get rid of the glue stuff kind of on there. I think I got a little too much glue on there and I'll end up cleaning it up, but I just put a couple extra bows and just hang some of this trim. I wasn't going for any particular way. I just kind of wanted it thrown on there. And then this trim here. So that's how the hot glue gun worked for me. And nothing is sticking inside, which I like. And you can close it up if you want like that. So there's that, and that's the hot glue gun. So like I said, I will link that down below in the description box. It works really well. It heats up really quickly. It's very hot, so you need to be very careful. I just shut it off, so it's cooling down now. So, and I like the sturdiness of the gun. Let's see, sturdiness of the gun. So yeah, all right, everyone, take care. The weather is bad everywhere in the U.S., it seems like. Hopefully Texas will get their power going again. There's a lot of people in Texas that are out of power. Anyway, guys, take care of yourself. Please be safe, and God bless.